Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to create a Pinterest board. A Pinterest board is used to collect all the ideas that you have on your Pinterest and organize it as a board. It is used for collecting all the pins. Now, let's get right into our video. The first thing we're going to do is open our Pinterest app. Here, right after opening your Pinterest app, you'll be on the home page. Once you're on the home page, you'll have to tap on the plus icon that is located on the bottom, right between the search icon and the messages icon. Once you tap on the plus icon, here you can see three options that are idea pin, a pin, and a board. Tap on the board option. Once you tap on board option, here you'll have to type in the title of your board. Once you tap on the title, you can also invite collaborators. You can tap on the circle right here in order to invite any collaborators. From here, you can type their name or email address and search for them and tap on done. And if you want to keep this board a secret, then you'll have to tap on the toggle button right here. Once the toggle button is turned on, no one except for you will be able to see this board. And with that, tap on next. After that, here you'll be on the next page from where you can save the pins that you think are relatable to your board ideas. Once you save enough of the pins, you'll have to simply tap on done. And just like that, you'll have successfully created your board. You can go to your profile page and check whether your board has been created or not. And here, as you can see on the very first option, the board has been created. Thank you for staying to the very end of this video. I hope you found our video helpful. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe.